Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just designed. This is an origami 3D turkey leg. And if you want to fold an origami slice of pumpkin pie, I'll have a tutorial for this model right here in a few days. And ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this turkey leg, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So let's begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half. And make a door base. Okay, and now fold in half like this. Unfold and fold to the crease. Okay, unfold, turn over, and take this crease and fold it onto here. Like that. So we make a new fold in there. Okay, keep it like this. Turn over back on to this side. And take this edge, and we're going to fold it to the middle. But we don't need to crease the whole thing. Just crease it just on this thick part. Just from the thick part to the left. See? Like this. Now take this and we're going to refold this and we're going to squash right here. Alright? And repeat all that on this side. So take this edge and fold it to here. Really just take the thick part and fold it to here. And just crease from the thick part to there, like this. And open here and squash. Like this. So this is going to be the bone and this is going to be the meat. So let's work on the bone. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it up right on this point, and this point is going to touch the middle. Like this. And repeat on this side. You can just take this corner and fold it to this point. Okay. Like this, and now we're going to fold this back out and we're going to fold right on this point. And how do you want to fold it out? Well, you want to fold it. This is actually really to taste, but there is a guide mark for this. You can fold it so this length is equal to this length, like this. You could just do it to taste if you want. This is going to be just the bone part. And repeat on this side also. Okay, and if you want, you can fold this edge up a little bit. So it's a folded edge and not raw edges, if you want. That's optional. And then you can round the bone out right here too. Just fold that in a little bit. Okay. Alright. Now, we're going to round out the meat. So, I'm going to fold this up so this point touches there. And we're folding right on that point. Alright, and repeat on this side too. This is actually very similar to the turkey leg flicker that I saw right here. But this is a 3D turkey leg, not a flicker. Okay, and this part you can just round out to taste. I'm going to fold about like this. So notice it's fold this angle a little bit. And you can just match we did right here on this side. Okay, so if you like it like this, then you're done. This is a really clean 2-dimensional turkey leg. But if you really want to 3-dimensionalize it like this, then here we go. It'll be a little bit messier, but it'll feel really nice. And it's more challenging, so here we go. So we're just going to just open here like this. And and we're just going to sculpt it. So we're going to pinch these corners. So let's start right here. So and this is really just to taste, just to experiment with. Pinch it about maybe that much, and then just fold that point to one direction, like that. Okay, and then repeat on this side too. Just open this up, put your finger inside, pinch this corner like this, so it'll three-dimensionalize it, and then just fold it to either direction. Doesn't matter which direction. Okay, now on here, let's remake this fold here and do the same thing on that corner. So pinch it and fold it to one direction, like that, and repeat on this side. So fold that like that, and I have my finger in for support, pinch that corner, and fold it to one direction. Alright. And once you did that, there is your 3D turkey leg. And if you want, you can maybe try and three-dimensionalize the bone too. On this model, I put a couple valley folds there, but I'm not going to do that. It doesn't look so good like that. I think it'll probably look better if I just kind of just three-dimensionalize the bone like this. So just kind of put mountain folds on there instead of valleys. Just do it like that. And just kind of like this. And just shape it to taste. Yeah. And once you did that, there is your 3D turkey leg. And yeah, I think it's really cool how it's 3D. Doesn't it look delicious? And yeah. And on Thanksgiving Day, I'm going to publish this origami model I made. This is an origami slice of pumpkin pie. And it's actually a lot easier to fold than this model. And yeah, and I actually did a short of this model right here recently. But on Thanksgiving Day, I'm going to publish the original tutorial for this. So you can click right here for this model when I post it. Okay. Oh, no, here's another 3D turkey leg I made. This is actually the rough draft. See, it doesn't look nearly as good as this model, so I don't think I'll teach this one. But yeah. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this model, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you later. Alright, bye-bye.